Passengers are reminded to stand well back from the edge of the platform when trains are entering or leaving the station. Thank you.
I'm just doing a quick little video here. I'm upgrading my Graham Farish GWR 158 two-car unit. This is the motorised unit, and this is the trailer car unit, and the chip is just in there, and there's a little tab. Just use a screwdriver and lift it. I'm not going to go through that. If you want to see how to replace the chip and take all that apart, look at Ian's Engage, because he just did a video very recently. I'm just showing you what I've done on my one. This is the chip that I'm putting in, a lock sound ESU version 5, and I'm doing 3 units as well as this one. Hang on a minute, I've just stood that vehicle up now, not on its rails, so that one's already got the sound chip in it. Nothing else has been done to it yet. I haven't even tested it yet, but I will be doing so. And then the next ones I will do, just above it, is that 4-car unit. I shall be doing that. I've got a chip for that one. And the other 4-car unit, identical, same train. Graham Farish, I think they're 319 units. So that will also have a sound chip in it. And I believe the sound chip goes in this car here, because I believe the one with the pantograph, correct me if I'm wrong, is the one with the motor, and the one next to it in the middle is where the chip goes in. So at the moment they are DCC chipped, but I'm going to put a sound chip in them. So for somebody who said, well, I don't like sound at all, I've now got 2 locos actually fitted with sound. That's my Class 60 and my little 09 shunter, which came fitted with sound, and so did my Class 60, and I quite like it. It's funny how you can change your mind. I don't like them on too loud, I do like them turned down, but because my layout is an automated layout run by iTrain, there's actually a lot of scope to do different things with it as the train is running around, especially in automatic mode. You know, horns sound, whistles blow, and I can have all sorts of things happen automatically. I don't actually have to press any buttons. The program will do that for me all automatically. So I'm going to introduce these other 3 trains and make them into sound locos, and I think that will probably be it for me. I don't think I will do any more. I'm just going back to the layout. Hang on a minute. I wouldn't be doing it to that unit because, well, I just wouldn't do it. I wouldn't be doing it to this unit or this unit. I wouldn't be doing it to this unit or this unit. So those 4 units will never have sound in them as far as I'm concerned, unless I upgrade the units at some point in the future. My Class 158 being speed profiled by iTrain. This is only just started off, first couple of settings, so this will go on for quite a while, running very smoothly, no sound on. just speed profile it without that. And we'll come back when it's sort of halfway through. Speed profiling step 41. So we're more than halfway through. Speed step 28. We're now up to speed, or down to speed step 16. So the last few speed steps coming up now. And there it goes off on number 11. This is speed step 6. And I'm doing them in blocks of 5, as is shown on the iTrain tutorials. So that's slow enough for me at that speed step. I'll leave it there until the next bit, or the last one. Last speed step coming up. And as far as I'm concerned, that is plenty slow enough. So I'll let that come back. So here it comes. And once it reaches that point there, it'll finish. There it goes. I shall now save that. So there you go. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to upgrade them. I say, if you really want to see a full in-depth of how to put the sound chips in, I might show you on the 319s if I remember to get the video out, i.e. the phone, and actually show you. But other than that, I might show some videos of me setting up the sound chips in iTrain, because this is all new to me. It all leaves me a bit cold as to what they can do, but I've been looking through instructions and looking for better CVs and things like that, but sometimes it goes over my head, I'm afraid. But anyway, we'll see what we can do. My other two sound fitted locos are working really well now, after a lot of fiddling around with them, because they seem to come already configured in a very, very weird way. Yeah, so never understand why somebody would make their loco, when you turn the power off, take about 30 feet to finally slow down and stop. I can't see the point of that. For me, that would be going around my circuit almost 1.5 times, which is literally what it was doing. I was turning it off and it was going round and round. I'm thinking, are you gonna, what's happened here? You're not stopping. You're still going. And it took 1.5 circuits of my layout to actually stop. And it came configured like that, and I couldn't understand it, why those settings were turned up so much. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing over the next few days. Won't be pushing myself because I'm still recovering from my serious heart event. I'm still waiting to go back in for surgery. I'm still not particularly fit, but I'm getting there. So hopefully things will improve. Hope you enjoy the videos that come up in the near future, and thanks for watching.